Well, it hasn't started raining yet, so we're cooking out. I'm not enthused. Can you tell? And there's been thunder, so we'll see if we live. Hey you. Hey you. Alright, here we go. Up. Quick. Oh, I should try this first. There it goes. That warmed up. Big dog. What do you think about this lightning storm cookout we're having?
I'm all for it.
Of course you are. You don't have to go out there. I don't believe it. Whew. Alright, so here's the new bathroom. There's still stickers on it. There's still stickers on it. It was supposed to be perfect for the video. It's ruined now. Take it out.
He left the stickers on so his wife would know he didn't put the doors in wrong.
So what?
So his wife would know that he didn't put the doors in wrong.
So there it is.
That's our new
So there's no bathtub in this house now.
That's right, but there's a hot tub.
You can't take a bath in a hot tub.
Nobody takes baths around here anyway.
Wait, what? Are you ready to go off the deck? Are you ready? Really? Are you sure? Is Timmy trapped in the well? Timmy trapped in the well? Where? Out on the West Range? Oh my God. She's as good as Lassie. Oh jeez. It's getting darker out here very quickly. And it feels like rain. Let's see the temperature. This is mid-March. Almost 70 degrees. Kind of a gloomy Monday. Got the fridge fixed, so we no longer have to worry about that too. So hooray! Life seems to be kind of coming back to normal, hopefully. There's your big dog. What you doing? Hey. Well, the rain has started, Bailey. I'll be grilling in the rain. Hooray. What you doing? You're so good. Dad's drinking beer. And I'm in my... Look at the dots. Here's my cooking paraphernalia. I cut my own head off there, but that's okay. You're not missing out on much there. Ooh. Cooking very slowly. What in the world is wrong with these burners? They're just not heating up. There we go. I could crank it up almost all the way, and they're still just not cooking. Not really. Well, it's finally cooking as we stand in the rain.
Yes.
This woman, this freaking woman.
Hi.
Go away, just go away. Good Lord. Why are we cooking out in this? Oh my God. I'm starting to doubt that's smoke from the burger so much as it is just steam. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Go away. Just go away. Alright, I think we're about done. Hopefully the onion's cooked. At least warmed up nicely. Oh, that's staying a little bit more on that side. Look who finally came home. Come on. Are you wet? Nope. Were you under the porch this whole time? You goober. Good girl.